Now we are going to study the poem called The Quarrel. This poem is written by Eleanor Farjeon. Generally, brothers and sisters quarrel each other. It is a very common situation. Many a times they quarrel with each other without any reason. Their quarrels begin over a very small petty issues, and how with a small kind act the quarrels end. It is very mystic and beautiful, so let us read this poem to feel the same. Let us see the first stanza. I quarrelled with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. The poet had a fight with his brother. Both of them were fighting and were not even aware of the cause of the fight was. The fight was happening because of a series of things. One thing was giving way to another. While fighting, both fell down. In the beginning, the fight was modest and was not very serious. But gradually, it grew intense and became a very serious issue. His brother said that he was right, whereas the narrator was thinking himself on the right side. Now let's see the second stanza. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. In the noon, the fight became serious and both started hating each other. They didn't like one another. All of a sudden, poet's brother hit him on the back and asked him to get alone, as it was not the right thing to pull the matter throughout the night. He also declared humbly that he was wrong, which proved his generosity. This moved the poet's heart and he realized that he was wrong. Now I say the summary in a nutshell. One day the sister quarrelled with his brother. The reason was very petty, but they shouted at each other. The quarrel was mild at first, but it became strong in the end. Both claimed that they were right. They began to hate each other. They did not talk to each other till evening. Then suddenly the brother realized his mistake. He decided to make up with the narrator. He walked up to her and patted on her back. He suggested that they should patch up. He admitted that he was at fault. The narrator also forgot and forgave him.